Okay, welcome back. So this is going to be a very quick review. I'm actually reviewing these 2-inch by 15-foot tie downs or ratchet straps. They came in a packet of 6. They have this really nice zinc hook and ratchet straps that should be rust resistant. They have these really nice webbings that are UV, abrasion, and water resistant. Overall, very nice. I got them because this strap, which I was carrying something like this in the back, and with the wind pressure, it totally snapped this strap. I've never had that happen before, and I don't want to see it happen again. Too much that can go wrong when that happens. So I bought a 6-pack of these off of Amazon, and really my only question before I hit that purchase button was, are they good quality? And I can tell you right now that these are good quality, very nice, heavy duty, well put together. Everything looks good on them. Now, obviously, I haven't had them for a long period of time, so I can't tell you for sure. But at the time of this video, they are considered Amazon choice on the Amazon platform. So that is a rating that they get based on volume and the number of positive reviews. So they're getting very good reviews. I think when I bought mine, it said that 500 had been bought the prior day. So these are definitely heavy duty and must be doing the job. So 1,666 pounds of working load limit, 5,000 pound brake strength. The webbing strength is 7,500 pounds and the length is 15 feet. I believe these are a great product. I highly recommend them, and I'm happy that I picked up the 6-pack. And I thought they were a great value for what I paid for them. Thank you so much.